Thank you for joining in, and for today's tutorial I am going to be showing you how to create 3 different easy Christmas projects, and you can make cards out of these as well. The first one is probably the easiest. This is an ornament, and you can start off with your circle first, and then it's just that little tiny piece on the top with a straight line. So definitely easy to draw. And then you can choose your colors. I stuck with blues for this one, almost like a little bit more wintry, a little snowball look. And I didn't do it in my sketchbook, but you can also, when the paint is wet, you can drop a little bit of salt for the little granulations, and that looks really cool as well. So there's a few different options here. After the paint is all dry, then you can go ahead with either a black or a white gel pen, and you can do all your details. If you wanted like stripes or triangles, dots, whatever kind of design you want to put on there. Next up are some easy pine cones. So I'm going to start off with like a yellow ochre, or if you have like a light raw sienna. And I just mixed it with a tiny bit of brown for the first layer. And then I'm going to drop little bits of the deeper brown in for some shadows. Depending on how your pine cones dry, you may have to go in with some more layering to deepen up the shadows, which I do later on in the video. But for now, I'm going to let them dry up, and I'm going to move on to the last one, This one probably took me the longest because there's a lot more detail in it. I decided to outline it first with my fine liner here, just in case anybody wanted to draw it out for themselves. So you can see it better here with the black outline. Definitely make sure you're using a waterproof one. And they dry pretty fast. And then I went in with the actual watercolor. And again, I kept it very basic. I used the same colors I used for the pine cones. And then the only extra thing was I added some pink cheeks in the end. And that is it for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed these 3 different projects. And if you make any cards or anything, you can be sure to tag me on Instagram. I love to see everyone's artwork. And thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and leave a like, and I'll see you next time.